Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how Hinduism and Buddhism are same. Some of you might say that no, you are wrong. Buddhism is totally different from Hinduism. बुद्धिज़्म और हिंदुइज़्म एक हैं, इसके अगेंस्ट कुछ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हैं. पहले वो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे. द कॉमन एंड मोस्ट पॉपुलर बिलीफ इज दैट बुद्धिज़्म वाज अ रेबेलियन अगेंस्ट हिंदुइज़्म. It was a rebellion against caste system. It was an attempt to reform Indian society and it was a new religion. And the argument we get is that the core concept of Buddhism is different from the core concept of Hinduism. हिंदुइज्म में बहुत सारे देवी देवताओं को माना जाता है, बट बुद्धिज़्म डजंट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ गॉड. Hinduism believe in the concept of eternal soul and Buddhism doesn't believe in the concept of soul. Hinduism believes in Vedas and the Buddhism rejects the Vedas. These are the arguments that are put forth to say that Buddhism is separate from Hinduism. हिंदुइज्म बुद्धिज़्म से अलग है, ऐसा लोग इसलिए मानते हैं क्योंकि लोगों ने हिंदुइज्म को सिर्फ एज अ रिलीजन ही देखा है. लोगों ने हिंदुइज्म को सिर्फ अंधविश्वास तक ही सीमित कर दिया है. लोगों को लगता है कि मूर्तियों की पूजा करना, गाय की पूजा करना, बाबा, तांत्रिक, यही सब हिंदुइज्म है. हिंदुइज्म इज़ मच मोर देन दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. ये रिलीजन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट 2000 साल पहले और 1400 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था. इससे पहले सिर्फ धर्म था. People often confuse dharma with religion, but religion and dharma is totally different from each other. Religion is just a set of beliefs that one have to follow blindly, even if it is not making any sense. And dharma means responsibility. धर्म का जो शाब्दिक अर्थ होता है वो है धारण करने योग्य, मतलब जो चीज़ करने लायक है वही करना है. जो रियल हिंदुइज्म है वो वेद और उपनिषद है. जो बात वेद और उपनिषद में नहीं है वो हिंदुइज्म नहीं हो सकता. The purpose of Veda and Upanishad is to teach people how to be free from everything and attain moksha or nirvana. And the core philosophy of Buddhism is same. Buddha always talked about nirvana and moksha. Let us examine the teachings of Lord Buddha. Buddhism is what he taught, and we have a very good record of his discourses and teachings. These are very well recorded, so we know his exact words and what he taught and what he said in public over his lifetime. गौतम बुद्ध ने कभी ये नहीं कहा कि वो एक नया रिलीजन शुरू कर रहे हैं. इन ऑल हिज डिस्कोर्सेज, इन ऑल हिज टीचिंग्स, ही नेवर सेड दैट ही इज रिजेक्टिंग हिंदुइज्म. आई एम नो लॉन्गर अ हिंदू. वेयर डज ही से दिस? मैंने कोशिश की ये फाइंड आउट करने की कि कहीं तो बुद्ध ने कहा होगा कि वो एक नया रिलीजन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, बट कहीं पे भी उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं कहा. गौतम बुद्ध स्पोक अबाउट धम्मा और धर्मा. ही डिड नॉट रिजेक्ट धर्मा, and there is only one dharma, by the way. There are not 15 other dharmas. There is only one dharma. It is a dharmic umbrella which encompasses a number of schools of thought, including Charvakya materialism, atheism, including Bodh dharma, Jain dharma and other schools of thought like yoga and Sankhya and Vedanta. So these are the some schools of thought which fall under the umbrella of dharma. These are quite diverse. Some of them are very different, such as Charvakya, which rejects God, which rejects all spirituality. It is complete materialism. In spite of that, it falls under the umbrella of dharma. In Hinduism, the main focus is on liberation and mukti. And also in Buddhism, the main focus is on liberation and mukti. There are many cultural differences between Hinduism and Buddhism, but fundamentally, Buddhism and Hinduism are the same. What do you think about this perspective? Let me know in the comment section.